Surf's up. Hilarious. Not now, but already for a while, readying for big waves. Seriously, check out those last 3 videos on SRFM stock we posted well before the analysts came out in support. Well, let's check out some emerging and existing reasons for this official change in sentiment. Surf participated in Electra's first demonstration flights of its ultra-short aircraft, which showcased the potential to unlock new route possibilities for regional air travel. Surf Air Mobility's platform is designed to provide partners like Electra with the ability to accelerate the commercial deployment of next-generation electrified aircraft and the operational support and software systems needed to enter the market and scale efficiently. Stonegate Capital Partners has updated its coverage on Surf Air Mobility, highlighting the company's improved airline operations, continued optimization of the on-demand segment, and growing momentum in its Surf OS software platform. The company has also secured a 5-year exclusive agreement with Palantir for the configuration and sale of software, which is expected to expand its growth potential. From the most recent quarterly report, it was reported airline operations achieved profitability in the quarter, driven by significant improvements in key operating performance measures, including on-time departure, on-time arrival, and controllable completion. Surf Air Mobility's on-demand business also showed improvement, with a renewed focus on profitable products, generating a substantial improvement in margins. The company has expanded its relationships with over 425 operators since inception and introduced 3 flagship products: Broker OS, Operator OS, and Owner OS. In terms of financial outlook, Surf Air Mobility reaffirms its expectations that 2025 revenues will exceed $100 million and that airline operations will achieve profitability in 2025, defined as positive adjusted EBITDA. For the third quarter of 2025, the company expects revenue in the range of $27 million to $28.5 million and an adjusted EBITDA loss in the range of $10 million to $8.5 million. Surf Air Mobility has also made significant progress in its partnership with Palantir, entering into a 5-year software licensing agreement that names the company as Palantir's exclusive partner with respect to the configuration and sale of software to Part 135 operators and charter brokers. This agreement grants the company the ability to sub-license certain of its rights to third-party clients and contemplates the company and Palantir teaming to bid on software development projects. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.